the digital age, storytelling and content creation are constantly evolving, and VR is becoming an increasingly important tool for creators to engage their audiences. The immersive nature of VR allows users to experience stories and content in new and exciting ways, making it an ideal medium for entertainment and marketing. In this video, we will explore the role of VR in the future of storytelling and content creation. We will look at how VR is changing the way we create and consume content, and examine some of the latest trends and technologies in the field. We will start by exploring how VR is being used in film and television. VR technology is allowing filmmakers to create immersive and interactive experiences that were previously impossible. We will look at some of the latest VR films and TV shows and explore the potential of VR for storytelling. Next, we will examine the impact of VR on the gaming industry. Gaming has always been a driving force behind VR technology, and the two industries continue to push each other forward. We will look at some of the latest VR games and explore the potential of VR for gaming and esports. We will also look at how VR is being used in marketing and advertising. Brands are using VR to create engaging and immersive experiences that allow consumers to interact with products and services in new and exciting ways. We will explore some of the most innovative VR marketing campaigns and examine the potential of VR for brand storytelling. Finally, we will look at the future of VR in storytelling and content creation. We will explore some of the latest developments in VR technology, such as haptic feedback and eye tracking, and examine how these technologies are changing the way we create and consume content. Overall, this video will provide a comprehensive overview of the role of VR in the future of storytelling and content creation. Whether you are a filmmaker, marketer, gamer, or simply a fan of immersive experiences, this video will give you a glimpse into the exciting future of VR. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on the latest trends and technologies in VR and beyond.